Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts batter only ways. Start by sifting 250 grams of flour and 10 grams of baking powder into a bowl, then whisk 50 grams sugar, 2 eggs, 120 milliliters milk, and 30 grams melted butter together. Fold wet into dry gently to avoid overmixing, then rest the batter for 20 minutes before frying at 175 degrees C. Cool slightly before glazing or filling. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent donuts and a reliable texture. Use 250 grams flour, 50 grams sugar, 10 grams baking powder, 2 eggs, 120 milliliters milk, and 30 grams melted butter for this recipe. Warm the milk slightly to about 35 degrees C, and make sure eggs are at room temperature so the batter mixes evenly and rises predictably during resting. This approach avoids dense texture and gives a tender crumb that soaks up glazes and fillings. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy saving money by making donuts at home, grab the simple path to wealth to rethink finances and build savings faster. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so more recipes and tips reach you. Check the description for the link and other deals, and use ideas to budget ingredient costs smarter. Short, helpful read that pairs surprisingly well with baking. Now let's get back to the video. Mix gently to avoid gluten development that causes tough donuts. Fold wet into dry until combined. A few small lumps are okay. Rest the batter for 20 minutes to hydrate flour and improve rise, then heat oil to 175 degrees C and fry small portions until golden brown. Flip once when edges set, drain on a rack, and cool slightly before glazing or filling with cream or jam for best results always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.